Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at how to use the Avada Live Builder shortcuts. By the end of this video you'll understand how to access and use the Builder shortcuts to improve your efficiency when working on your Avada websites. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's jump in. To speed up your workflow, Avada provides a number of keyboard shortcuts while editing in Avada Live. A full list of these can be found from the toolbar under Support Shortcuts. Let's go through them. First up are a few toggle hotkeys. The first of these opens the command palette introduced with Avada 7.15.3. You can open that with Command or Control K. Use the Command key if you're on a Mac or the Control key if you're on Windows. If it's not already taken on your computer, you can also just use the F1 key. See our video on the command palette for more information on this other awesome efficiency tool. The other two toggle hotkeys are Shift plus T, which toggles the sidebar, and Shift plus P, which enters preview mode. Then there are the action hotkeys. If any of these don't work, check other applications on your computer that use shortcuts which might be overriding these. Okay, so to save your work, just use Command or Control plus S. That's a very useful one indeed. To save your content as a template, use Command or Control plus Shift plus S. To undo an action is Command or Control plus Z, or Z if you like, and to redo it is Command or Control plus Y. If I just delete a word, I can undo it or redo it with these two shortcuts. Then there are a range of shortcuts to preview the responsive views in different sizes. Command or Control 3 for tablet, 2 for mobile, and 1 for desktop. I find these ones very handy. Although in my case I have a clipboard extension using these specific shortcuts, so in my case I have to add the Alt key to the above combination to activate those. To fully clear the layout you are working on, just use Command or Control plus D, and the Clear Layout dialog pops up just to make sure you mean it. To close any modal that's open, for example the Preferences or Shortcuts one, just use Command or Control plus Enter. To open the custom CSS panel for the page, you can use Command or Control plus Shift plus C. And finally, to open the page in the backend builder, you can use Command or Control Q. This opens it in a new tab. Okay, these useful shortcuts are easy to remember and should make you even more efficient than you already are. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.